Hey folks, so this is Shetz. We're on the bottom of page 4, and you might have had a little bit of trouble with it, so here we go. Notice the directions. It says the sum of the interior angles is given, which means when we use this formula, all interior angles equal n minus 2 times 180. Well, this is the answer to the left-hand side. And we're going to use that main equation, and we're going to get that right there. So this is the 1800 equals n minus 2 times 180. Now, some of you are probably saying, well, let's go ahead and distribute this. And you could do it that way, but it's going to take you a little bit longer and give you bigger numbers. So an easier way would be to simply divide by 180. And whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. And I'm sorry my writing's not the best because I'm using my mouse. And notice what happens over here. Bada bing, bada boom, cha-ching. These 180s disappear. So right away, we're going to get this equation here. We get 10 on the left-hand side. This is going to cancel to a 10 and n minus 2. And all we have to do is add 2 to both sides, and we get a 12. So a 12-sided figure is called a dodecagon. Okay, well, with the problem 8, the second problem here, we're going to do the same thing, and notice all interior angles. Well, they told us it's 900, so that's going to be the left side of our equation. And just like we did over here, I would certainly divide by 180. You could distribute the 180, but you're going to get bigger numbers, and it might be a little bit more work for you. So it's easier just to divide both sides by 180, and notice we're going to get a 5 on the left-hand side, and now when we add a 2, we get 7 sides. And that happens to be a heptagon. Thanks, folks. Hope you like it.